Welcome to our problem-solving course. It's lesson 6. It's about Sudoku puzzles. Ready to solve some problems with Andy? Shall we? Here we go. Aline writes a correct calculation, then she covers 2 digits, which are the same with a sticker. 40-something plus 50-something equals 104. So, which digit is under the stickers? So we know the digits are the same. How do we do this? We can first transform this row addition into a column addition. Ready? Here we go. So 4 and a square plus 5 and a square is 104. We know the digits are the same. So 2 same numbers, you add them together, you get 4. Could be 2 plus 2. It could be 7 plus 7. We can try 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, we have 42, plus 52, we have 94, which is not correct. And then we have 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, we put it here. We have 47. We have 57. So 7 plus 7, we have a carrying here. We have 14. And 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 10. So it's 104. We are correct. So you can call it carrying. You can also call it regrouping. Because 7 plus 7, they have a number larger than 10. So we have a carrying here. And this is how you find the digit under the stickers. And we know it will be D. Okay, congratulations if you picked the right answer. Okay, so after this, let's go to our second question. Write each of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the squares to make the addition correct. Which digit will be in the gray square? How do you solve this problem? We do notice that 2-digit numbers, you add them up, you get a 3-digit number. So there must be carrying. Or you can call it a regrouping. So how do you make it happen? We have 4, 5, 6. That means we can write it here. 5, 6. We don't know those 2 numbers yet. We can try it out. So you add them up. 5, 6, you get 11 something. Will this work? Probably not, because we only have single 1, this digit, but there are 2 ones. There are 2 ones, so this won't work, because we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there won't be carrying on the ones, the place value of ones. So, and there are 2 ones here. but we only have one single one. A lot of ones, right? Okay, so this won't work. Let's try 4 plus 6, because we know that two-digit numbers, the sum is 3-digit number. There must be carrying happened. So 5 plus 6, we will have carrying, but this won't work. And then we have another one, 4 plus 6, there will be carrying. So let's try this one. So 4 and 6, square, square, together you get 100 something here. So 1 and 0, 6, 4. So bye bye 0, bye bye 1, bye bye 4, bye bye 6. We only have 3 and 5. So we have 3 numbers. 2, 3, 5. So you add 2 numbers out of the 3 numbers, and you get 1 number out of 3 numbers. So this is a simple addition. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So we know 2, 3, and then 5. So the digit will be 5 in the gray square. And then you get the answer. Where is it? There you go. Option D. Congratulations if you picked the same option. Okay, so this is how you solve this problem. Because there is carrying, you first need to find 2 digits and then add them up, and you get a larger number that's greater than 10, so the carrying happened, and then you find the one you want. Okay, so this is how you get the answer. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!